Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have seen that gold prices increased sharply by 1.64%. However, in international markets, gold is trading around $1753 per ounce. Silver price also increased sharply by 2% by 2.11% and closed at 59,617. However, in international market, silver is trading around $22.04 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver is still sideways. We are recommending buy on lower levels. For today, gold support at 46,300, resistance 46,750, silver support at 59,300, resistance 59,950. We are recommending buy on support level in gold and silver prices. Now let's talk about the base metal. As expected, yesterday we have noticed that all base metal corrected sharply. Copper price corrected sharply by 1.82%. Zinc price also corrected by 1.81%. Lead price also corrected sharply by 0.88%. Nickel price also corrected sharply by 2%. The trend of base metal are sideways. However, we are expecting some bounce back due to short covering in all the base metal. So for today, we are recommending buy on support level in the base metal. For today, copper support at 692, resistance 707. Zinc support at 250, resistance 255. Lead support at 180, resistance 184. Nickel support at 1370, resistance 1405. Aluminium support at 227, resistance 231. Steel support at 46,500, resistance 47,400. The trend of base metal are sideways. We are recommending buy on support level in all the base metal. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have noticed again that crude oil prices closed on a flat note. However, for today, crude oil support at 55.20, resistance 56.90. WTI crude oil support at 74, resistance 77. Brent support at 77.50, resistance 80. Natural gas support at 410, resistance 444. The trend of energy segment are also sideways. For today, we are expecting a bounce back in gold, silver and in base metal and also in energy segment. We are recommending buy on support level in all the international commodities. We hope that you really benefited from this commentary. Thank you.